We know some producers that though they might not necessarily make the biggest song on the radio, but we see them living a particular kind of lifestyle. And I'm not talking about those producers who maybe use production as camouflage, that what they really do is fraud. I'm not talking about those kind of people. But what I aim to do in this video is to show you how to get serious clients and high-paying clients that would actually pay you serious money for the work that you are about to do, how to attract those people, how you can position yourself to be someone who those people will want to call for a job. Let's get straight into it after the intro. Wire your song. Welcome back to the studio, ladies and gentlemen. It's your boy Krizbeatz, the drummer boy, and this is to tell you that the Krizbeatz Music Academy is currently ongoing, and you can learn about all these and more if you sign up for the right class. We also have something like this where I go over this with you one-on-one. If you are selected to be a part of this, I will have the ability to go over your music, your sound, your career, and build things with you, build systems with you one-on-one. So if you're interested in that, click the link in the bio to sign up or to chat with the admin to know more about what we do at Krizbeatz Music Academy. So one of the biggest mistakes that producers or musicians make is thinking once you are talented enough, people will just look for you. Like I said, what you can do now, AI can do it better than you. So you need to, first of all, once you know that, you will know peace. You will know that and understand that it's not about how good you are in a particular thing. If you first leave the phase of, oh, because I'm talented, clients will come. If once you are done with that phase, because that phase almost never happens, clients almost never look for the most talented person. They look for who is the most reliable person. Think of it as if you need to go to work and you want to get Uber and you are already late for your work. What do you look for? Do you look for the cleanest car in Uber or Bolt, or I don't know whichever you have in your country? You don't look for that. You look for the car that can get you there as quickly as possible without breaking down. Do you understand? So that is the same thing with getting high net worth individuals to work with. Is you have to start thinking how professionals think. Clients almost never look for the most talented. They always gravitate towards the most reliable. What do I mean? The professionals would always want somebody who they are sure will get this thing done. And if they come tomorrow, they are also sure this person is capable of delivering whatever they want. In case you are wondering, okay, so what gives you the right to be able to do this? Well, I've worked with a number and still working with a number of big companies, ranging from commercial companies, movie making companies, banks, doing commercials for bank, doing film scoring, movie scoring, big campaigns for moving, doing OSTs for both Nigerian companies and some foreign companies. So I have seen this happen a couple of times, because people can always smell something if it's not going to be professional. So if you want to start getting real clients, you have to start thinking like a professional, not just a hobbyist, not just a creative. Don't just think, okay, what you want to get, don't worry, once you listen to my beats. Some persons will not even make decisions. Some decisions will be made even before they listen to your beats. They will not listen to your beat and make decisions about what you want to do. So before you start rushing, pause. Let me show you what makes clients, artists, company to actually chase you as a producer. First thing, producers underestimate the power of presentation, which is how you present something to people. Somebody is selling rice and the other person is also selling rice, but one person is selling their rice 200 naira roadside. Another person is selling the rice roadside, but you have to drive into the place, and the person is selling for 3,500. Yet people are passing the 200 naira rice to go and buy 3,500. Why? They are all selling the same rice. This person is selling rice. This person is selling rice. Why do you think people will go and jump and go and buy from the other person? It's called packaging. How you package it, how you present it. Two producers can be at the same skill level. That's exactly what I'm saying. And one is making money. The other one might be making hits, funny enough, and might be making street hits, all those. Have you ever wondered? I've wondered who produces all these mara beats that makes people dance with so much precision. You see people dancing it, but they might not, make money like, I know we might want to say stuff like, is it all about money? I don't know what it is for some people, but you need to be, anything that you are doing as somebody that you cannot maybe feed your family with, I don't know, what are you now doing, that you cannot take care of this. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can position yourself and get yourself to work. So number one, you have to become more organized. You have to become more organized in how you do everything, how you deliver your job, how you write your invoice. Organized people would always come to an organized person. So I almost never discuss money with anybody until I'm getting in the studio. For instance, a Korean company reached out that they are doing a movie, blah, 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 blah. I'm not allowed to say more than that. And this Korean company, of course, we're in business now. They had to ask that, are you sure these people are Nigerians? Do you understand? With the level of ways we were able to deliver what they wanted, from our Nigerian partners who are the people that they talk to, so you want to put yourself in an organized way, not just organized way, organized companies, organized partners, people who understand what it means to be corporate. Remember, as creative, we really don't know much about the corporate world. I was going to say corporatism. We really don't know much about the corporate world. But how you can start being organized is, first, have a clean space where you work, have a clean template, create a clean bounce. If you are naming a track, don't just do hashtag 0000422. Create a clean thing. If correction is being made to a song, bracket the correction and save it in front. Proper naming, artist name, artist song, artwork, professionalism in your communication. How you talk to people, how you express what you want or your displeasure, how you take advice, so all those things will separate you from. Before we started this call, a client just called me, Tiwa Savage just called me that, oh, Chris, I want to do this, I want to do that. I'm performing the song we made at Mobile, and what do you think? And that. And this is coming from, I know you might say, because you're already a big producer, so big artists to big producer, the margin is not so different. But I'm telling you that it's not because of that. It's the professionalism that you display in your work and how you are able to show that, okay, I am reliable, not just a source for you to get your inspiration to the world. I'm concerned, I'm showing, even though, we'll get to a point where the artist will feel like, oh boy, you won't cut my head with price. But they still don't feel funny, like they don't feel like you are maybe trying to take advantage of them, or maybe you are trying to milk them, because of how you are able to deliver what you promised that you would deliver. So another thing that you can do that can take you up there is speed. Speed is your superpower. If you can deliver something, same thing, same quality, faster, I'm always advocating for speed. If you can deliver faster with good quality, you're already on the, AI level. And somebody will say, wait till AI do, Chris, this period. Yes. So you're already there. You can deliver fast. Deliver fast does not mean rushing. You get? So one thing that separates professional and intermediate is speed. Not rushing, but being ready, knowing that, okay, this thing needs to be ready. Like I always say to people, if I tell somebody your job will be ready on Monday, trust me, that job will be ready on Saturday. I'm just waiting. If I don't send it to you that Saturday, just know that I'm waiting. That's okay. So you don't feel like, are you sure he did it well? Because Nigerians too, most Nigerians, they have that thing. If they tell you get your job done and you're able to get the job done today, they'll feel like, is this what I'm paying so much for? That that this guy just did in 2 minutes. Do you understand? So that's not your business. Your own is to keep your professionalism 100%. You know, I've charged up to 15 million, 20 million naira for a job that took me maybe 30 minutes. You know, and then the person was looking at me like, okay, are you done with this job? I'm like, it's done. I don't already do all these things. I have them ready. So you are not paying for you're not paying for how long it took me to make the job. You are paying for how long it took me to learn to make the thing that I learned to do in 30 minutes. Probably took me like 20 years of my life learning to do that same thing every day, you know, for you to come and be able to enjoy it in 30 minutes. So yes, being ready, fast responses, being able to respond to stuff faster, being able to attend to things faster, it's really, really, really important. If an artist asks for a change in a particular thing and you reply 3 days later, they will find someone else to do it. Yesterday night, I was with Kiss Daniel over the phone, going over a song that he is making that is supposed to come out in a couple of days or a couple of months. I don't know when you guys will be hearing that. He said something with his mouth. I wish I recorded it. That one thing he loves about Krizbeatz is if you call him now for something that he is working on that you guys are not yet done and you want correction now, you will get the correction now. If you want adjustment now, you will get it now. I don't like to do things later, except for my own thing. If it's my song that I'm controlling everything that has to do with it, then maybe. But if it has to do with clients, that is what makes me Krizbeatz, you know, to say, oh, you are getting this thing now, and then you are getting it now. You are getting it, oh, you can't get it now, you get it in the evening, then you are getting it in the evening. So those type of things makes it important, makes it easier for you to work with bigger brands, to work with professionals. And professionals understand that responsiveness builds trust. So if you respond to them, you can build trust. It builds the trust over time. They can know that, okay, if we reach out to Chris now, he's going to respond to us. So the next one is skill communication. Many producers will not get high-paying clients, not because of their skill, but because of poor communication skill. So for example, imagine someone reaches out to you and says, please, I need you to correct this, and send to me. And you say, okay, I go check. You know, okay, I go check and means I'm not even sure if I'll be able to do what you're saying. You know, a better thing to say there would have been, I'll send the updated version tonight. You know, that reduces uncertainty. People want to know that whoever they are giving their job, their life, their time to, is capable of doing whatever they are expecting the people to do. So clients, high-paying clients, they love clarity, to be able to clarify that, okay, this and this is what I say I want, and this person can deliver it. You know, so yes. The next section will be stop waiting for big artists to make move. Make move regardless. The small artist of today is the headliner of tomorrow. Look for an artist to build with. If you have somebody that you can build with, that you think this person is really talented, you can build with them, then that is your best shot. People like that gives you more credibility than working with already established artists. If you see all the big artists, producers, and all that we know today, they are the people who picked somebody from their grassroots and they were able to make them great. So that leaves your name more, you know, people will respect you more than you just making hits from somebody who has probably made 1,000 hits before meeting you. So yes, because many placement starts from a relationship, not from email, not from chat. You know, it starts from relationship. Oh, I know this person, then this person knows this person. So the next one will be that consistency builds reputation. One good beat does not build a career. One good beat does not build a career. Consistency does. You know, so if you release regularly, you know what to do if you are putting out your music. Regular releases becomes regular improvements. Then it becomes repeatable quality, which means you can give good quality over time because you've done it for yourself over and over again. Then people start recommending you because you have a reliable sound, you have a reliable quality, you have I don't know, there was a time in Nigeria that all the song that was mixed was by a guy called Soca Sound. that everybody was using him as at then. So that is exactly how because he was able to build a particular quality for some time, So yes, this is actually one of the things that we focus on Krizbeatz Music Academy, teaching our students, not just making beats. We focus on how you can build a reputable career, and then you can go on replicating the success that you see, around us. And yes, if you are now trying to move from an intermediate or a beginner level to an advanced level, I advise you to come check our Krizbeatz Music Academy courses, our advanced courses to be exact. You can check and see the exact thing that you want to learn, and we'll be able to go in depth with you and look for how you can build a structure around yourself that allows you to do more than just make beats. Because the goal is not just to be talented, the goal is to be trusted. If you cannot remember anything that I've said in this video, maybe you slept all through, remember that the goal is not just to be talented. The goal is to be trusted. Are you a trusted brand? Why do you put your money in your bank, the bank that you're using right now? Because you trust them. You know that even if something should happen to the bank, your money is still safe. The other thing that you need to remember is skill might get you noticed, but professionalism gets you paid. You make money if you are professional. Skill will get you noticed. So with that said, I will catch you in the next video. Love.